I have right here a huge box. It takes up the whole entire screen on the iPad. I got this box in. I'm gonna have to zoom out here for a second. Y'all can see just how big this box is. It's a mystery box. We're gonna see from Amazon. There's a smiley face right there. Right there. What actually it is. And we're gonna open this. Let me move the stand back just a little bit. All right. Yes, I have a knife, but I have my pen here. It's just as sharp. All right. Okay. I'm about to open it up. See what's inside here. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Wow. I didn't know it was this big. Okay, hold on guys. Man, this thing is pretty big. I got from Recur Spinosaurus. What do y'all think? He's big. From Recur Spinosaurus. Now, I'm opening him right now so y'all can see on YouTube an unboxing. But he's going to go back in the box and it's going to be for Christmas for my son. He does not have a Spinosaurus. I've been looking for one. A one that's pretty standard size of the Spinosaurus. And I'm going to do some size comparisons with his dinosaurs because tomorrow he's going to be at school. So he has no idea that this came in. So we're going to open it up. Oh, wow. Well, I did not expect him to be this big. Wow, this guy is really big. Okay, we're gonna take this off. I guess that's how he stands, just like that. Wow. He is, oh, I got a dinosaur right here. I got my spare Dinoceratops that I'm going to be doing a repaint soon. That's a size comparison. You can get a gist of it. And then, oh, I have another thing. Let me get it for y'all. So, just so y'all know, my son has no idea that I got him this. Okay? We're going to put this guy there. Let's turn him this way. Man, he's big. I didn't know he was this big. We're going to put him right there. I also got him the Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus. But I got him the soft one. I didn't get him the animatronic one because it is way too expensive. Here's another comparison. Now I have to put him like that, but that's another comparison with the Dinoceratops, how big he is. And I know some people, do have the Spinoceratops, but since I was a little kid, when this guy came out, you know, I didn't think it was the cool thing to get and whatnot for the Spinosaurus, especially the animatronic, because I want friends to come over and they automatically judge me for having figures. But now there's a new day and age. Figures are cool. Dinosaur figures are cool. Wrestling figures are cool, and anything is cool. So I got them on eBay. A really good price. He was actually a lot of these on eBay and Amazon go for like 80, 90 bucks, and there's no way I'm gonna pay that much money. But I got this guy for 50 bucks. I know I probably, you know, in my wife's eyes, I probably paid a little bit more than what I wanted to, but I've always wanted a Spinosaurus in me and my son's dinosaur collection. Now we do, and he's got two, and you know I got two. So let's do a comparison. Oh, he's in the back. You can't even see this guy. There's a comparison. Let me just balance him up here. Oh yeah, he's much bigger. I didn't know he was that big. He is really big. Here, let me back him up for y'all so y'all can see. So y'all can see the comparison. Yeah, he is very big. And I'm not going to do a repaint on this guy. However, so awesome. I'm so glad. My son's going to be so happy and so thrilled. This guy, as you see, if you want one from yourself, let me get a better view here for y'all. Can y'all see that? Recur. Know the world better by having it. Man, you dang right. So, here's a Spinosaurus. Can y'all see that? Get a better focus on that for y'all. There's this little pamphlet, little booklet here. It's got the diets. All right, let me sit down, kids. I'm standing up here. Okay. This is so cool, guys. Okay, let me get my little pamphlet here. Get back in the cam. It has his. Can y'all see that? Let's get a focus on that for y'all. It's got his name, Spinosaurus. Let me focus on this for y'all. There you go. Order, diet, period, Middle Cretaceous, his size, figure size. I'm going to put all this in the description and where he's from. And also right here it says, did you know the Spinosaurus probably ate fish as well as land dwellers? The sail on its back were long, extenuous of the vertebrae. Spinosaurus had a small crest above its eyes. It's uncertain where Spinosaurus used its sail for display on the thermal regulation. Question: is the Spinosaurus a water animal or land dweller? I don't know. It's still a question. Here's his barcode, I guess, if anybody wants that. Let me focus on that for y'all. But yeah, Recur Toys. It's going to be in the description below. The little pamphlet, I'm going to put it in the description below. But look at the face. This is the mouth. Y'all see that? I have to like really. This is super awesome. Wow, my son's going to go AWOL for this thing. Because he's got the big T-Rex, the Jurassic Park 2, the bull T-Rex, the green one. Which I'll show y'all comparisons later. Right now he's asleep. But I might get some more pictures for y'all for size comparisons. But look at the green eye. Man, I don't even know if I want to repaint this thing. He is just awesome. He is just amazing. He is really big. He is really big. What does it say? He's about oh, it has the size of how big he actually was. But figure size, he is, from what I got, he was about 8 inches tall and about 22 inches long. I can't even get him all in the camera here. Let me move back just a bit. But this is a Spinosaurus from Recur. Because, you know, I've been trying to get the new Legacy Collection Spinosaurus, but gosh, these people just want an arm and a leg for him. I'm not going to pay that kind of money. You know how much I bought for this guy? I paid 38 bucks. I've been trying to get this, at least a big Spinosaurus, to have a correct figure size for our dinosaur collection for me and my son. And I couldn't find a Spinosaurus. I've been looking for years since the new one came out, and I really didn't know which one to get. And I got this guy here. You know, I really wanted this guy, but then, you know, he was a little bit small than the others, but it's no big deal. And then the animatronic one is just outrageously expensive. I mean, it's just crazy. $500. I saw one for the animatronic Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3, and it's just expensive, way too expensive. No way. I saw one for almost $1,000. Come on, you kidding me, man? Let me just try to set this guy properly here. I'm trying to set this guy where I don't have to really balance him anymore. Okay, there you go. Let's move the camera like this. But size comparison again, here's the Sinoceratops. So you can just imagine, you know, the other ones just a little bit. But he's leaning down. That's okay. No big deal. I don't care. My son won't care. The only thing we care about is the size. He's a little smaller. So no, it's okay. It's no big deal. He is like 3 times bigger. And I think the other one, the actual one from the Legacy Collection, is about this size, I'm assuming, but he can stand up, so that's the difference, and his mouth can open this now. But this is a soft one, the mouth and everything. I'm gonna repaint him. I already told y'all, I just haven't got around to it yet, because he's not gonna be repainted. I'm gonna leave him like the way he is. But this guy, this big Bertha here, I am going to repaint him in a later video, because I got some more dinosaurs that I got in, and I'm going to share with y'all. I got my son's Brachiosaurus, which is not the one from Jurassic Park. It's a different one. I've had it for years, since I was a little boy, when I was 5 or 6 years old. So y'all gonna see that in a future video. And then I'm gonna make I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, a Corythosaurus. A Corythosaurus? Corythosaurus? I can't say it. Anyways, but I'll put a picture right here. I'm going to make a custom figure on that one. I already got the figure for it. I already know what to do. That's going to be a future video. But this is the unboxing of the Recur Spinosaurus. Very big. I didn't think it was going to be this big, but it's really big. However, for now, both of these guys, y'all won't see these guys for a while, okay? For at least 2 months, at least until Christmas. Because I'm going to put them back in their box. But I wanted to show this to my fans here, to my YouTube fans, all the guys and girls out there. It's all soft. Everything is soft. So awesome, guys, and this is amazing. I didn't think it'd be this big. Like right now, this right here from the camera to here, I'm at least almost 2 feet back of how big this guy is. But here's again, so you can see a size comparison with these two. Now you can see that. Let me go back a little bit more, because he's really big. So there you go there. Oh yeah, he's gonna have the guy in the back, Spinosaurus in the back. He's gonna have a blue tail. He's gonna look like Jurassic Park 3. I'm gonna leave this guy alone. He's gonna be by himself. But just 2 more added to the collection of me and my son's dinosaur
montage we got here. I wanted to show y'all again. I hope y'all like him. You're not going to see him for a while. He's going to go back into the box for my son until Christmas time, till we open him up for Christmas. And this guy, all right? Thank y'all for y'all's time. We'll see you on the next video, guys.